All right. Good morning, Idea Montopolis College Prep. This is Mr. Cotto with your morning announcements. It's a terrific Tuesday, April the 27th. Today is an A day. Please join me for today's pledges. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Now please remain standing for a moment of silence. All right, the snacks are back. So if you see Miss Cervantes walking around with a cart, go ahead and help support the school. The money you give comes back to y'all. So yeah, be sure to be on the lookout for the cart. All right, happy birthday. Happy birthday to Princeton Mendoza in 6th grade, Jose Valor in 7th, and Elisa Guerrero in 11th grade. We hope you'll have a day filled with love, learning, and all sorts of positivity. So we hope y'all make it a good one, y'all. Happy birthday. All right, so just say no to drugs. But sometimes it's not that easy. Sometimes it's not like that. So if you or a loved one or a friend does need some help, then we've got this link right here to Austin Rehab, and there's also a hotline there. We want you to stay safe. We want you to stay away from drugs. So again, we want you to say no, but sometimes it's not that simple. So if you, a family member, or a friend need the help, we've got the link right there. We've got the hotline right there. And again, you're not alone, and choose empathy. All right. So ACT calculators, again, if you have a calculator, go ahead and return one to us. Your parents can drop them off 9 to 3. Again, go ahead and reach out to the people down there, Ms. Gonzalez, Ms. Garza, or Ms. Rodriguez, if you have any questions. All right, be kind to your mind. Anxiety, stress, these are very real things. These are very real things. So if you want to learn tips on how to slow your thoughts down, prioritize work items, and reduce your stress, we could all use this, adults as well. Go ahead and join the virtual anxiety group, right? Go ahead and message Miss Williams on Teams or like the message in your Move This World tab. All right, so prom, class of 2021, it's coming up May 14th at 8 p.m. Austin Central Library, Rooftop Garden. And again, Venmo handle is right there if we haven't paid up. Again, the due date was on the 15th. Oh, look, photos from last year, very nice. Well, a couple of years ago, very nice. All right, so become a mentor. So if you want to be a mentor and help out our 9th and 10th graders, right, with the trials and tribulations of what is high school, go ahead and sign up there. The link is right there. And again, this is for 11th to 12th graders only. If you feel like you would need the help, go ahead and sign up there. In order to get a mentor, you do have to be in 9th and 10th grade. All right. So grades, have we checked them out? Do we know where they're at? Do we know where we're at? And do we know what we have to do to be successful? So if not, let's go ahead and check PowerSchool. If we don't have that information, go ahead and let your teacher know, and we'll be able to get you that information as well. Again, you need to be passing every class with a 70 or higher. If not, we risk having to come to summer school and or retaking the class again next year. And again, if a student fails 2 or more classes, you are not on track to graduate high school in 4 years. So again, do everything you can to get this out of the way. It starts with sending a Teams message to your teacher. Take that first step to advocate for yourself. We want to help you. We want you to be successful. All right, attendance is important. Again, it's not Montauk policy. It is Texas law. The Texas Education Code is quoted right there. You got to be here 90% of the time. That equates to you not missing more than 18 days of school, so be here. All right, middle school schedule, high school schedule, still the high school schedule. Questions, go ahead and text us at the number there during normal school hours. Text us at that number there during normal school hours. And follow us on Facebook, facebook.com/Montopolis College Prep, facebook.com/Montopolis College Prep. That being said, Bulldogs are determined, optimistic, generous, and strong. And if nobody tells us today, y'all, remember that we love you, we believe in you, and we always will. Advocate for yourselves, y'all. Message your teachers, right? It starts with that first step. We can't go far if you don't take that first step. All right, it's all about love. Okay, now it's time for Move This World. Have a great day, everybody.